So I've been with Mindera for the last 8.5 years, I think. I was doing a lot of different things. I started on mobile, then did a little back-end, a lot of interviews, and now I'm basically doing a role that kind of touches all of that, making sure that new mobile projects are bootstrapped with the right technology, advising clients on strategy on mobile, making sure our internal community on mobile has some nice events and some sharing, and trying to cross-pollinate ideas between different verticals. From the start, Mindera started developing native apps. From self-contained teams, we then expanded to strategy on mobile, not only like what technology should you use as a company in mobile, but also should you have an app, should it be iOS and Android, how to leverage properly the technology. If you already have an app, is it properly done? Any advices on how to move forward with it? We have a lot of different teams working on different tech stacks, different clients with different needs, different requirements. I think the glue that binds us is first Mindera itself, and then the eagerness to learn more and to do better. So there's interesting questions now that lie on, are we going mobile native moving forward? Are we going cross-platform? What is the soft spot there? Is an app the future with all the AI and so on? From the beginning, we were seen as specialists on mobile. Slowly, the perception is changing and they're perceiving us more and more also advisors so that we can understand their business, deep dive into their business. I think would be Phineas and Ferb, but we will be Perry. Because if you look at it, we're quite clunky and weird, and we seem to be around everywhere, but we don't exactly seem normal. But actually, under the hood, we're actually doing amazing things. Mais alguma coisa, doutora? Não, agora é quando eu dançava.